Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pickled garlic at home. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a successful batch. You'll discover how simple it is to transform fresh garlic into a tangy, flavorful treat using just a few common ingredients. Get ready to enjoy a versatile condiment that's perfect for snacking or enhancing your favorite dishes. Let's get started on this fun culinary adventure. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need approximately 2 pounds of fresh, firm garlic. Take your time peeling each clove, ensuring they are clean and free from blemishes. Next, prepare your pickling liquid by combining 1 part vinegar with 1 part water and adding 2 tablespoons of pickling salt per 4 cups of liquid. Remember to sterilize your canning jars and lids thoroughly. This is a crucial step for safe preservation. Now for the exciting part, the pickling process. Carefully pack your peeled garlic cloves into the sterilized jars, leaving a little room at the top. Feel free to add your favorite spices, like a teaspoon of dill seeds, a few peppercorns, or a bay leaf for extra flavor. Heat your pickling liquid to a gentle simmer, then pour it over the garlic, ensuring you leave about 1/2 inch of headspace. Seal the jars tightly and let them cool completely. Once your jars are cool, store your delicious pickled garlic in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks before enjoying. This allows the flavors to fully develop. After opening, always refrigerate the jars and consume the garlic within 3 months for optimal freshness and taste. Pickled garlic is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it straight from the jar, chop it into salads, or use it to add a tangy kick to any meal. Happy pickling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.